Okay, let's see this person. We'll do one more and then I'll take another quick break. Court-appointed attorney, Steve. Okay, so this is the same thing that I talked about with the other attorney. I would just call myself in 2020. So it's only been a year. And then this has been, person's had their own or worked for a personal injury attorney. Okay, so this person, this is again the kind of the focus issue that we've been talking about for most of the day. And this person, I would like to see the resume become much more focused. And what I don't know that any of this stuff here is relevant to this person's been for a short period of time only since it's been doing document review and then doing this court appointed attorney and so forth. Don't really think any of this is necessary. It detracts from the whole message. And their experience for the past 14 years has been as a personal injury attorney. I'm assuming that's the majority of what they do. So I'm just going to go here, and then I'm going to say whatever offices, personal injury, and then just talk about the type of cases and so forth that have been done. Personal injury firm, did trials, etc. You can go and brought in personal injury work. So you want basically everything to look very focused. And so this person graduated from law school in 2006, and they've had this since 2006. I don't like any of this other stuff. I think that pretty much if they've had this position since 2006, I don't think you really want any of this other stuff in there. It's just not helping you. None of it's helping. And none of this stuff is helping either. Being a physical therapy aide doesn't help. An internship at Schultz Performance Center, an athletic trainer, which kind of sounds cool, but I don't think that helps. So you need to basically beef up this experience here, get rid of all these lines and so forth, and don't call it legal experience, just call it experience. And then have some information about what you did with your own practice, because all your other positions have been temporary. So not temporary, less than haven't been long-term. So just remember that law firms are looking for people that can do the job long-term, are likely to stick around. And here, this is a lot of stability. So that's really good. All these other things, Illinois Bar Foundation, Legal Aid Hotline, that's not necessarily. If you were named one of the top lawyers at the National Trial Lawyers Association and this other thing, these are, oh, where's your education go? I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah, so these, because of these lines, it messed everything up. But I would take out this volunteer experience. I would leave this stuff up, the national being nominated one of the top 100 lawyers, and then I would beef this up. And then you're right to put your education at the end. And then everything else looks great. This is a good resume. It just needs to be, again, it's just everything you had on it before was just too confusing and it didn't look focused. So now you can apply for and all sorts of jobs in personal injury firms, if that's pretty much what you were doing. And then you talked about things like brain injury and everything. And well, I think that you can definitely get jobs in firms that do that.